And on that note, we are getting the data from the Conference Board out for the month of May, topping expectations. May consumer confidence coming in at 102.3. That is above the estimate of 99. The present situation comes down just a touch to 148.6, and expectations up to 71.5. So let's get more on these numbers now. Erik Lundh, the Conference Board principal economist, is joining us now. So, Erik, how do we explain the consumers feeling even better than we thought they would be?
Well, I don't know if I'd frame it that way. I mein, the consensus estimates were a little bit lower, but really the downtick that we saw for the month of May was in fact quite real. As you mentioned, the present situation index fell from 151.8 to 148.6, so a pretty steep decline on the present situation side of the equation. And then with respect to expectations, we did see a little bit of a downtick there as well. It fell from 71.7 to 71.5. So really most of the deterioration that we saw in the top line index was, again, more associated with that present situation as opposed to the future expectations. And it is quite interesting because this month, the weakness that we did see in the present situation index was more associated with reports among consumers of softer labor market conditions. In terms of the expectations index, it's still well below 80. 80 is sort of a threshold in terms of a future recession. So the U.S. consumers continue to report that they do expect to see some sort of a recession over the next 6 to 12 months or so. And then also, broadly speaking, across ages and income categories, we've seen a decline in confidence over the last 3 months. But the most recent reading for May saw a notable decline among consumers over the age of 55.